Hey, good afternoon. Coming to you live from Italy. I just left Naples and I thought I'd share with you a very simple text design where we can basically overlay text on top of a solid template and then show it with this carving out, if you will, along the edges and in the interior of the lower text. All right, it's very simple. Let's jump right in and we'll get to it. So as we move in here, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background color to be this gray color that we were seeing before. This just gives a little more contrast for what we're trying to do. I'm going to jump in here to text and we will start with Italy. Hate that font, so we're going to make it out here to this. And then let's just blow this up so that it's a bit larger. All right, one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten up some of the letter spacing. I just want it to be very small gap between the horizontal letters, those that kind of reach the horizontal. Then all we do is we add another text box across here. I'm going to change the color of it right away so that you can see what we're doing. I do not want to change all. There we go. And then again, I don't really like this font. What we want is something that's a lot more rounded, kind of the opposite of the block underneath of it. So I'm going to go with this shriek hand, right? And I'm going to change this to be Naples in lowercase letters, and then we're going to stretch this across the word. There you go. And like I said, so right now you've got an okay looking poster. It would work if it needed to, but we can make it just a little bit better. And this is where we're going to make it look like we carved this out of the Italy and it's inset into it. Right, so you do that by going up here to the effects. We're going to add an outline. It's going to default to this darker color, but what we want to do, we're going to change it to match the background color. That's a big reason why I changed this to gray, was so that you could see this effect at the end. All right, and there you have it. Now, a lot of people will change things up a little bit. They'll move the word to the top and try to cover this top layer of the word. Some people do the same thing on the bottom. Other folks have gone in here and they have changed all the font colors to be the same. I think that looks awfully busy, but you get the effect with it, right? So I'm going to go back to what we were at. This was our original design. And just say thank you, guys. I'm on vacation in Italy. I just left Naples. Uh, Looking forward to being back home, but I'm having a great time out here right now. Talk with you all later.